Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are going to take the shroud off of this BMW X6. This is a 2022. Excuse me. Sorry guys. I've been sick the last week and a half, which is why I haven't been doing a lot of recording, because I don't want to put you through listening to me hack my brains out while I'm trying to talk. So it's starting to get a little better. But let's get started. So I'm going to take this shroud off here, and then at the end of this video we'll do a flip and we will do an install on this one as well. So I've had a number of people ask me to start doing the reinstalls too, so I'm going to start doing those. I'm going to take our WRD TRT here and go right up between the headliner and this piece of plastic right here and just pull down, and that's going to pop the front edge of this guy loose. Give that a little bit of tension. Work our way across here. And that'll pop. And then we're going to pull down on this and then slide that towards us. You can see it's got these 4 hooks on the back here that slide onto this other half of the shroud. And then this guy, we're going to go, there's a split in this right here. We're going to go right into that split and just give that a little wedge, and then this guy actually pops apart pretty easy, like so. Give that a tug and another tug, like so, and then swing that out. Give this one a push the other direction, and then swing that one out and off as well. And then our BMW mirror with the square bracket, we're going to grab this here, twist it back and forth and slide it down. Go ahead and unplug the mirror here, like so. Set that aside. I'm going to go ahead and unplug our rain sensor. We'll peel this guy off of here. I'm going to grab the end down here, just give it some even tension and peel that away, and that'll have to get a new rain sensor bracket. And then over here we've got our BMW plug for the camera. We're going to pop this little cover off right here, like so, and we'll hunt that down later. And then there's a little barb out here on this edge we're going to push in on to release that plug there. And you can see maybe there's the little tab right there. We're pushing in on that to release that plug. And then we got our little defroster plug right here, and there's another one right there. Push up on that and just pull that guy out of there. And then our BMW mirror, there's a little tab on each side of the camera at the back edge. You're just going to take your thumbs and then wedge your thumbs in between those and the camera and push out on them, and that will release the camera. And drop that down and out of the way. Let's see if we can get you a good view here. Here are the little camera keepers right here. You're just pushing out on those to release that camera. So wires are out of the way. Push that guy up out of the way, and we are free and clear to cut this glass out. So be back shortly with an install, and see you soon. Thanks for watching. And welcome back. We are going to do the reassembly on this camera and shroud and electronics for this 2022 BMW X6. And we're going to start with our camera. We are going to take this guy here. We are going to lock these 2 little nubs into our bracket there. Simply push up, and that snaps into place. Give it a little tug down to make sure it's in there tight. Then we're going to go up here and we're going to plug this guy in. Make sure he's facing the right way. And push that straight in until it snaps. Then we're going to take our other plug here for our camera power. Going to snap that in. Then we're going to look over here for our little camera cover that we dropped earlier. And that just snaps right over the top of the wires on our plug here, like so. Then we'll grab our mirror, plug in our brain sensor, plug in our mirror. This guy has this big saddle bracket here. It doesn't go on either side up into these slots. And you're just going to pull this up until it pops into place, like so. These two bars should align on both sides. Then we take our plastics here, and we're going to put the driver's side on first. This little guy right here, you can see one on this side as well, is going to tuck right behind the headliner up here. So you want to make sure that you tuck behind the headliner, and then you're going to swing this around until it comes over here, and then it's going to pop, and there's a pin on here right there on both of these that snap right into that. Push our wire up over here, click that or clip that into place so it stays out of the way. Tuck these ones up underneath the piece of plastic we just dropped in, and then this guy up behind the headliner, swing it over, get everything aligned, and simply give it a squeeze, and then that is all in place. Then you're going to take this guy, these 4 hooks right here are going to hook into the part that we just put on. You're going to slide that up there just like so, and you'll be able to feel when these guys align, and then simply click that in place. And that is putting all of your electronics on the windshield here back together, along with your camera shroud on a 2022 BMW X6. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.